Hi guys, for this video I will go through some of the assignments that I got from last year. Let's start with the first one. From this dataset, we have to find the range, the sample variance, the sample standard deviation. So the range is the largest number subtract by the smallest number. From this dataset, the largest is 14. Then the smallest is 1. So the range will equal to 14 minus 1 equal to 13. The next one is sample variance. To find the sample variance, the formula is sigma the given value minus x bar, which is mean, divided by n minus 1 squared. So to find a mean, we have 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 14 plus 4 divided by 10. So this will equal to 5.4. After that, we will use every number from here to here, subtract this number and square it. So if you equal to 5 subtract 5.4 square plus 3 subtract 5.4 square plus 8 subtract 5.4 square plus 7 subtract 5.4 square plus 4 plus subtract 5.4 square plus 5 subtract 5.4 square plus 1 subtract 5.4 square plus 3 subtract 5.4 square plus 14 subtract 5.4 square plus 4 subtract 5.4 square, and all of it will divide it by 10 minus 1. You can use a calculator, but the answer is gonna be 13.156. 13.156. The sample standard deviation is equal to square root of the sample variance. So the square root of 13.156 will equal to 3.627. Okay, so we finished the first one already. So let's move to the next question. The next question is calculate the mean and the median of the following grade point average. So the mean is the sum of the data the sum of the data divided by the total number. So mean will equal to 3.7 plus 2.5 plus 3.4 plus 3.3 plus 2.8 plus 2.4, all of it divided by 6, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will equal to 18.1 divided by 6, which is equal to 3.02. 3.02. The next one is median. The median is a middle number of the dataset. So we have to arrange it again. The first number will be 2.4, 2.5, 2.8, 3.3, 3.4, and 3.7. We have to rearrange it again. So the middle number, we have 2.8 and 3.3. 2.8 plus 3.3 divided by 2, it will equal to 6.1 divided by 2, which is 3.05. So the answer of the median is 3.05. Okay, let's move to the next one. A qualitative variable with three classes, x, y, and z, is measured for each of 20 units randomly sampled from a target population. So, to compute the frequency is just to count it. It's the only way for this question. So, for x, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the x class has frequency of 8. Y, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y. We have 5 y. In z, we have 20 units. We already have 13, so z must be 7. If you're not sure, you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's move to the B part. The relative frequency. The relative frequency is to use the frequency divided by the total number. So the relative frequency of x is 8 divided by 20, which is equal to 0.4. 0.4. For the y is 5 over 20 equal to 0.25. And z equal to 7 divided by 20 equal to 0.35. Next question is, the following data show the number of laps run by each participant in a marathon. Which of these choices display the correct stem and leaf plot? Remember, here and here will represent the first digit of the value. So we have 46, which is 4646. We have 65, which is 65, 65. We have 55, which is 55. So we got the wrong stem and leaf plot over here. So the answer must be B. For this question, you don't have to count it like I did, because over here we have 3, 4, 4, 6. 4 and 4. This is a wrong stem and leaf plot. The same first digit must be at the same line. So the answer is B. Let's move on to the next one. If you can remember, this chart is called histogram. Because the bar will touch each other. So, what percentage of the people aged 25 to 40 had a systolic blood pressure reading between 110 and 139 inclusive? So between 110 and 139 inclusive. Inclusive means we're gonna include the 139 as well. So it's gonna be in this range, 110 to 140. So we're gonna use the bar height to calculate the relative frequency of 110 and 139 inclusive. The first bar is 110 to 120 is 0.35. The next bar is 120 to 130 is 0.25, and the next one is 130 to 140, which is 0.15. All these three combined together is gonna be 0.75. So it is 25%. Let's move to the next one. Find the variance for the given data. So variance is equal to sigma x minus x bar square divided by n minus 1. So we will find the mean first. The mean for this one is x bar equal 6 plus 18 plus 20 plus 18 plus 1 divided by 5 equal to 63 divided by 5 equal to 12.6. So the sample variance will equal to 1 minus 12.6 square plus 18 minus 12.6 square plus 20 minus 12.6 square plus 18 minus 12.6 square plus 6 minus 12.6 square divided by 5 minus 1. So the answer, you can use a calculator, but the answer is 22.8. So we're gonna move to the last one. At one college, GPAs are normally distributed with a mean of 3 and a standard deviation of 0.5. What percentage of students at the college have a GPA between 2.5 and 3.5? So we will find the C-score. The C-score is equal to the given number minus the mean divided by standard deviation. The C-score will equal to 2.5 minus 3 divided by 0.5 and 3.5 over here minus 3 divided by 0.5. The answer for this one, the z-score will equal to -1, and this one will equal to 1. So we're gonna use the empirical rule as it's provided to us. From empirical rule, approximately 68% of the measurement lie in the interval of 1 standard deviation. So it means that 68% of the students have a GPA between 2.5 and 3.5, which is fall within 1 standard deviation. So that pretty much it, guys, for this video.